Hey guys, the DLS 25 hack is live. Watch my gems and coins multiply right before your eyes. And now, without further delay, let's jump right into the tutorial, guys. Head over to settings, tap on general, then scroll down to background app refresh, and make sure it's enabled for all networks. And after confirming it's enabled for all networks, let's exit to the apps list and open any available browser, Google Chrome or Safari, whichever works best for you. Now let's head over to this website. The address is right here, guys, as you can see. Now I'll show you how to get your username or ID. Let's go back to the game, tap on settings and follow the steps just like I do. Hit advanced, then search for system info and tap on it. As you can see, this is my account ID. This ID is extremely important, so be sure to copy it carefully. I'll now copy it and then head back to the website to paste it in the required field. Now I'll paste or type it in here, then hit the next button. After that, I'll select the platform I play on, Android or iOS, and keep tapping next continuously. Now we're at the final step, guys, so I need your full attention. Hit the orange button here and make sure you're extra careful. Focus with me before taking any further steps. Alright friends, now it's asking for something really simple. I've seen it pop up several times for me. Let's verify and complete the process so I can show you how to finish all these steps. Now for the final verification before activating the hack, some devices may require manual verification because the servers might be overloaded. You'll see a few apps that need to be downloaded from the official App Store. Download 3 apps and follow the simple instructions in each one. Then open DLS 25 to watch your gems and coins get automatically added to your account. After completing all the steps, you'll notice that your gems and coins have started increasing in your account. Now, you can buy the best players and build your perfect team for free. If this method worked for you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new methods in the future. See you in the next video.